Alright, so we're going to take a look at the quantitative side of things in the Morningstar webpage, and I'm just going to pull the numbers from here. These numbers are all taken from the financial statements, and if I'm correct, I think we've got the annual report there, and we're looking for quarterly, which I think is Q3. So they've got ending beginning of October. So they've got October, November, and December to be Q4. I think they have a standard fiscal year end, which matches a calendar year. Just looking for their annual reports or anything that tells me the period. Okay, so yeah, I mean it's standard fiscal year end is matching calendar year end. So we've got 3/4 of this year pretty much done. Well, it is already done. We're already in Q4. Just want to make sure that these numbers up here accurately reflect that. So I want to see how many quarters they've got. So they've got Q1, Q2, Q3, and they say 2014 September. Just maybe that they're just slightly off by one day, but it's going to be the same number. This is Q3. Okay, so we've got the annuals. Let's grab these. And I'm just going to copy and paste. And they kind of come up a little bit sideways, so we're going to paste it the right way. And these are in thousands of Canadian dollars and thousands. So I'm just going to write that up here. So C dollars, thousands. And I'll cut this up here. This is sales or revenue. And this is fiscal 9, 10, 11, 12. Fiscal year 20. Fiscal year 2010. I wonder if I can just drag this over. Good. And then this is trailing 12 months TTM as at Q3 fiscal year 2014. Percentage growth equals our new revenue divided by our original revenue, subtract 1. Okay. I'm going to copy this formula over to here, and so on, and you can get the TTM there. Now, it's a big jump. We'll have to investigate that. Okay, so that's it for here. We're just trying to get to our cash flow, and sales drives that. Cash flow from operations. cash flow, I'm going to say from ops. And we want to see what this is as a percentage of sales equals cash flow from operations divided by revenue. Copy this across. Very smooth number. And we need to find our capital expenditure. That will be in the investing section of the cash flow statement. Sometimes cash flows goes from operation to investment and then financing, but sometimes they're out of order. Doesn't really matter. You just want to find what they're investing in property, plant, and equipment. It's also a number that's pretty consistent. Okay, I'll just reorganize that. Whoa. Okay. So this is our capital expenditure, CapEx. Okay, now this is going to be in proportion to the assets. This is investing in assets, so they've got to invest in a proportion of their assets. Okay, so I'm looking for their net PP&E. That's net of accumulated depreciation. And they've given us until fiscal year end. Just also want to get current. And here we go. In fact, in quarterlies, they only give you the net number, so that makes things a little bit easier for us. So this is property, plant, and equipment net. Net of depreciation. Say CapEx as a percentage of PP&E equals this divided by PP&E. That's a negative number. We're just looking for the positive. It doesn't really matter. It's a percentage. Okay, pretty steady. Now I'm curious to know what PP&E is as a percentage of sales. Actually, before we do that, I'm also curious just to see total assets. Total, this is quarterly. Total assets. Alright, start up in the next video.